Hi, my name is Mike Herman. I'm the Vice President of Sales for BIG DAISHOWA. We're here at the Westec show promoting our boring kit. This boring kit takes us to a diameter of 701 thousandths all the way up to 2 inches 126 thousandths. With a few options, you can always get down to 17 thousandths in diameter, or you can get up to 6.5 inches in diameter. This kit regularly sells for over $2,600. It's on a promo right now for $1,740. I want to move over here to another table and show you briefly some of our other tools. We're showcasing here our Mega Micro tools. Our Mega Micro tools start with an HSK E25. They're also available in a E32, a C3 capto connection, and all the way up to a C5 and a C6. The diameters of the collets I can connect on is anywhere from 10 thousandths up to about 787 thousandths in diameter. Coming down the line over here, we have our smart damper system. The smart damper stops the vibration before it gets to the tool spindle itself. It's combined with the milling cutter here, and this is integral onto a Cat 50. We also have the smart damper available with our twin boring tool. This I can stack up and I can do some very long length to diameter ratios, twin boring with the smart damper. Our Mega Synchro tapping allows for a rigid tapping system that gives you enough flex both radially and axially, allowing the tap cut very true to its form with less breakage. Our digital boring heads, our EWE heads, allow operators the confidence to make a micron adjustment. This head feeds directly back to either a pad device, being either an Apple or an Android device, and you can see that I can adjust this within 1 micron, and I can get the confirmation that we need to make the adjustment. This takes somebody from the shop that doesn't have the experience in making an adjustment using an analog head. It gives them the confidence to make a 50 millionths adjustment immediately and be set for, we'll say, success. This is our Indexable cutting tool line. We've increased the offering from Capto C5 down to Capto C3. These are available in anywhere from 35-degree diamonds, 80-degree diamonds, and 55-degree diamonds, both right and left hand. Some of the other tools that we have would be for stick tool applications that you can just pop in a 3/4 inch shank stick tool. And then we have for the mill turn centers, tools that are completely modular that we can change out the front end on this tool to either a 55-degree or an 80-degree, both right and left hand. If you're able to pivot the head of your machine tool on a mill turn center, this is an excellent tool that we can do turning at 90 degrees, locking the head in place with an 80-degree diamond or a 55-degree diamond. This offers a lot of versatility and a lot of rigidity. A new addition is our hydraulic Swiss line for Star and Citizen machines and Tsugami machines. This gives you the convenience of a hydraulic chuck and the accuracy of a hydraulic chuck, but it gives you the flexibility to change it over very simply with 1 set screw, okay, so that you can get complete clamping pressure around and the TIR of the tool very low as far as the accuracy. Very high accuracy tool here. Again, these are available for Citizen, Star, and Tsugami machines. Our hydraulic line for BT30, this would be a Big Plus 30. This is a standard chuck. We have the standard available with jet coolant, and then we have the standard available that is a slim nose, okay, to get into close reach, features of your part. That's it at BIG DAISHOWA. Thank you.